Hello, today I am going to make a beautiful experiment about soluble and insolubility. For this purpose, I will need oil, sugar, baking powder, salt and vinegar, water and a spoon. And I also need 6 paper cups. And label all the cup with the name of the ingredient that I need in the experiment. I am going to pour some water to all the cups. Then I'll put the things that I require in the experiment as the name written. Now I am going to stir salt and the water first. Then I will stir all the items one by one. Now I am stirring sugar. Now I am stirring vinegar. Now I am stirring the mud. Now I am stirring the oil. Now I am stirring the baking soda. After stirring all the mixtures, I will leave them for 5 minutes. Now we will see that which mixture is soluble and which are insoluble. Now we can see that salt, baking soda, vinegar and sugar are fully mixed with the water. That means these are soluble substance. Now the mud and the oil are not mixed with the water. That means these are insoluble substance.